Hello my friends. Today I'm gonna make a Dutch pour. I choose a palette for autumn. I want to do autumn, and I mix my colors with Erica Hughes recipe that I like so much because I work with these little piggies. You can have them at Free Art Co. That I mix with a special heavy gloss, and I follow a recipe because I like too much, and Owertrol. So the first color that I use is Little Piggy Cinnamon that I have mixed with a dilution with gel gloss and the Owertrol and a little water for consistency. I have a kind of red that I prepare also with Little Piggies Watermelon, and I had a little Amsterdam pyrrole red. The third color is a mixture with Little Piggy Sapphire and Pébéo iridescent green blue. Okay. The other color is Pébéo iridescent orange. And finally, my gold is Studio Pébéo Rich Gold. And for my base coat, I use a Spanish brand called Goya. This is Naples yellow, Naples reddish that I made in the same way, and 1 part paint, 1 part Owertrol and water to make the consistency right. And finally, the white is with Amsterdam titanium white, and the same proportion, 1 Owertrol, Spanish Owertrol, and yes, I'm using Spanish Owertrol because the American one is very expensive to bring here to Spain, so I'm gonna give a try to this Spanish one. Okay, thank you, see you in a moment. I have also the material that we need for Dutch pour. The dryer first. This is a travel dryer, very simple. A palette if I like to change something. Another palette to spray my pillow. The torch. And sometimes I like also to use this little blower for details and so on. Okay, so just let us start. Okay, the first color is this Naples yellow that I want my design will be like this. I love this. This tool is very helpful, very helpful to spray the paint everywhere. I'm working on a wooden board that I buy in a Spanish factory, and they are very nice because they are framed already. This is why I protect my side with this ribbon. Okay, 2 more here, 10 more here. Don't know what is gonna hand everything. Okay, I'm gonna clean my palette. I want that it's mixed in the white. Now I'm gonna lay my white. Not very funny to do that, but I have to. It's very important, this coat. just enough. Here. When you work in a normal canvas, it's easier because you can just tilt a little bit and so on. But here, it's very difficult to tilt. Wow. Sorry. You can see how I protect my sides. It's very important to protect the sides. Okay, I'm gonna touch a little bit to get out all the air bubbles. Because I prepared my paint just 1 hour ago, so I'm not sure. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna start with gold. On this side, and this side. Then I'm gonna go with this watermelon and Amsterdam red. So pretty. I hope it's gonna does like this. I'm gonna continue with the copper and mix the cinnamon, then a little touch of the sapphire and green blue from Pébéo to make just a little. I don't want a lot. Okay, and then this beautiful yellow orange from Pébéo. Okay, so here we are. I touch for bubbles. You can see my consistencies are okay because they don't sunk on each other. I don't know if I'm gonna get cells because as I told you, I use Spanish Owertrol and I didn't use any silicone or something like that. I don't like that because after when you're gonna resin it, it's gonna be a big mass, and I prefer to, well, for the moment, my hair dryer, they are just, okay, I think I'm gonna start with the middle. Actually, cells are coming up. That's good. And then I take my little one because I want more like this, a little bit like that. This one. A lot of artists, they use their mouth, but you know, my lungs, I think, I love this blue that is coming just a little. Okay. Okay. give a touch. There. There. Okay. I'm gonna torch to see. Anyway, the titanium white and the gold normally they are nice because they pop up. Oh, not very satisfied with this one here. Up, up. This one maybe a little bit there. Yeah. And more colors here. And I have to get out. This one is too red. You know, all these pouring technique, they are really a matter of consistencies and well, wow, I'm happy with. I think I'm not gonna touch anything. Sometimes I like to make little curl like that, but I think this time it's okay. I love it like this. Maybe this part. The blue here, a little bit more. I think I'm gonna leave like this. So here you have this autumn. Don't like this little, and I'm not strong enough to get there. Yeah, a little bit more brown. This part here I love the cell that they have come out. I hope a lot of cell more will come out. So just we have to wait that it dries a little and I make you a close-up. Well, this is my autumn Dutch pour. Okay, a close-up. I hope, I'm sure, that these beautiful iridescent colors and piggies, when it's gonna be dry, it's gonna be beautiful. But right now it's beautiful already. See? Well, look at this shimmer. Okay, and I can say that titanium white is kind of magic. Doesn't matter that you use it with Australian or European or American Owertrol. Look at these cells, they are so beautiful. Okay, so my friends, thank you for watching. Here you have the whole piece, and see you soon.